क्या हो रहा है? What is happening? What is happening? तुम ठीक हो? Are you okay? Are you okay? क्या तुमने देखा? Did you see? Did you see? मुझे बताओ. Tell me. Tell me. क्यों हुआ ऐसा? Why did this happen? Why did this happen? अब क्या करें? What to do now? What to do now? तुमने क्या कहा? What did you say? What did you say? क्या तुम यकीन कर सकते हो? Can you believe it? Can you believe it? मुझे माफ करना. Forgive me. Forgive me. क्या तुम तैयार हो? Are you ready? Are you ready? ये कैसे हुआ? How did this happen? How did this happen? यहाँ आओ. Come here. Come here. तुमने ऐसा क्यों किया? Why did you do this? Why did you do this? क्या तुम मुझे सुन सकते हो? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? सब कुछ ठीक है. Everything is fine. Everything is fine. तुम्हें क्या चाहिए? What do you need? What do you need? क्या तुम्हें मदद चाहिए? Do you need help? Do you need help? तुम्हें कैसा लगा? How did you feel? How did you feel? मुझे नहीं पता. I don't know. I don't know. तुम क्या सोच रहे हो? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? जल्दी करो. Hurry up. Hurry up. कौन आ रहा है? Who is coming? Who is coming? क्या तुमने कोशिश की? Did you try? Did you try? मुझे तुम्हारी जरूरत है. I need you. I need you. ये बहुत अच्छा है. This is great. This is great. तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going? Where are you going? मुझे मदद चाहिए. I need help. I need help. ये क्या है? What is this? What is this? मुझे समझ नहीं आया. I didn't understand. I didn't understand. तुम ठीक तो हो? Are you all right? Are you all right? अब तक सब ठीक है. So far, everything is fine. So far, everything is fine. ये कब हुआ? When did this happen? When did this happen? क्या मैं अंदर आ सकता हूँ? Can I come in? Can I come in? क्या चल रहा है? What's going on? What's going on? तुमने क्या देखा? What did you see? What did you see? तुमने कुछ सुना? Did you hear something? Did you hear something? मुझे यकीन नहीं हो रहा. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. तुम किससे बात कर रहे हो? Who are you talking to? Who are you talking to? क्या तुमने उसे बताया? Did you tell him? Did you tell her? मुझे क्या करना चाहिए? What should I do? What should I do? मुझे सोचने दो. Let me think. Let me think. तुमने यह कहाँ से मिला? Where did you get this? Where did you get this? क्या तुमने इसे देखा? Did you see it? Did you see it? मैंने इसे देखा. I saw it. I saw it. तुम इसे कैसे जानते हो? How do you know this? How do you know this? क्या कोई और है? Is there anyone else? Is there anyone else? क्या तुमने सुना? Did you hear? Did you hear? क्या तुम खुश हो? Are you happy? Are you happy? क्या ये सही है? Is this correct? Is this correct? ये कौन था? Who was this? Who was this? क्या तुमने उसका नाम सुना? Did you hear his name? Did you hear her name? यहाँ कोई है. Someone is here. Someone is here. यहाँ कुछ गड़बड़ है. Something is wrong here. Something is wrong here. क्या तुम तैयार हो गए? Have you gotten ready? Have you gotten ready? तुमने किसे बुलाया? Who did you call? Who did you call? तुमने ऐसा क्यों कहा? Why did you say that? Why did you say that? क्या तुम्हें याद है? Do you remember? Do you remember? तुम क्या चाहते हो? What do you want? What do you want? ये किसने किया? Who did this? Who did this? क्या वह आ रहा है? Is he coming? Is he coming? क्या तुम्हें यकीन है? Are you sure? Are you sure? मुझे थोड़ा समय दो. Give me some time. Give me some time. क्या ये जरूरी है? Is it necessary? Is it necessary? क्या मैं यहाँ बैठ सकता हूँ? Can I sit here? Can I sit here? क्या ये संभव है? Is this possible? Is this possible? तुमने किससे पूछा? Who did you ask? Who did you ask? क्या कोई समस्या है? Is there any problem? Is there any problem? मुझे यकीन नहीं है. I am not sure. I am not sure. ये तुम्हारा है? Is this yours? Is this yours? क्या तुम्हें पसंद आया? Did you like it? Did you like it? तुमने किसे देखा? Who did you see? Who did you see? मुझे मत भूलो. Don't forget me. Don't forget me. क्या ये वही है? Is this the same? Is this the same? मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आया. I didn't understand anything. I did not understand anything. तुम कब आए? When did you come? When did you come? क्या ये सही था? Was it correct? Was it correct? ये किसके लिए है? Who is this for? Who is this for? तुमने इसे कब देखा? When did you see it? When did you see it? क्या तुमने पढ़ा? Did you read? Did you read? इसी के साथ हमारी आज की वीडियो हो चुकी है कंप्लीट. आई होप कि आपको ये वीडियो में से कुछ अच्छा सीखने को मिला होगा. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक और कमेंट करके हमें ज़रूर बताएं. ऐसी और वीडियोस को देखने के लिए आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक यू सो मच.